Hi, and welcome to this review of Cursor, an AI-powered code editor that's making developers' lives easier and more productive. Ever wished your code editor could understand exactly what you want to build and help you create it? That's what Cursor does, and it's pretty amazing at it. Thanks for joining us to learn about this tool that's got developers talking. What if you could speak to your code editor in plain English, tell it what you want to build, and watch it generate the code for you? Cursor does exactly that, built right on top of VS Code, so it feels familiar, but with powerful AI features that speed up coding dramatically. But how does it actually work? Well, imagine having a really smart coding buddy who knows your entire codebase, can suggest multiple lines of code at once, and helps you fix errors before they become problems. Here's what makes Cursor special. It's not just about code completion. It's about understanding. You can literally ask it questions about your code, and it'll explain things clearly. Need to refactor a complex function? Just tell Cursor what you want to change, and it'll suggest the updates. Want to generate an entire component or feature? Describe it conversationally, and Cursor will create it for you. But what about accuracy and reliability? That's where Cursor really shines. It uses advanced AI models like Claude 3.5 and GPT-4, combined with smart features like web search to stay current with the latest libraries and best practices. And here's something cool. You can create a .cursorrules file in your project to guide the AI, making sure it follows your coding standards and preferences. Developers who've switched to Cursor are reporting some impressive results. They're finishing projects faster, writing better code, and spending less time debugging. Teams are using it to onboard new developers more quickly, since Cursor can explain complex code bases and suggest improvements in real time. Want to try something really powerful? Turn on YOLO mode. Yes, that's what they call it. And Cursor will keep working on your code until it verifies everything is correct. It's like having an AI pair programmer who's really committed to getting things right. What about pricing? Cursor offers a free hobby tier that's great for trying it out, and a pro tier with expanded features for more serious development work. The best part? You don't need any special API keys or complex setup. It works right out of the box. One quick note, this review was created with AI assistance, but these features and benefits are real and verified. Whether you're building web apps, writing complex algorithms, or just learning to code, Cursor could be exactly what you need to code more efficiently. Ready to learn more? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Cursor to get all the details about this impressive tool. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!